This video is the beginning of learning how to prevent hospital-acquired infections, or HAIs, through controlling microbial growth. I will start by quickly going through some of the terms that you'll need to know in order to talk about controlling growth. Let's start with sterilization. Sterilization is a treatment that destroys all microbial life. So for example, here you see some bacteria on a table. And here comes sterilization. Sterilization now has killed all of the bacteria. Now you have dead bacteria on the table. So that's what sterilization does. It destroys or kills the microbial life. Disinfection means reducing the number of pathogens. In this example, you can see we have bacteria on the table, and we also have some pathogenic bacteria. Remember, a pathogen is a microbe that causes disease. And so the white bacteria on the table are non-pathogenic. We don't really have to worry about them, but the green ones are the pathogens. And in disinfection, you're not going to kill every single microbe, but you will reduce their numbers. So let's watch how it works. Here comes the disinfectant, and we've reduced the overall number of microbes on the table, including the number of pathogens, which is going to reduce the risk of infection with those pathogens. You just learned that disinfection reduces the number of pathogens. There are two types of agents that are used in disinfection. The first is a disinfectant, which is used on inanimate objects like tables or surfaces or floors, whereas an antiseptic is going to be used on living tissue. It tends to be a little more gentle for those living tissues. Another term that's important when talking about controlling microbial growth is microbicidal. Microbicidal means it kills the microbes, whereas microbiostatic means it stops the growth of the microbes. They're alive, but they are unable to grow, and so you keep the numbers very low. You can see them thinking here, we are so lonely, we wish we could grow and make more, but microbiostatic agents stop their growth. You can remember which one is which because cidal usually means some type of death, right? If you think about homicide or suicide, this is the death of something. This time it's microbicide. Whereas static means staying still, not changing. So microbiostatic means that they're not changing, they're not able to grow. Now that you have a little bit of the terminology under your belt, we can move on to the next topic.